Hi everyone, I'm Mahip and welcome to the very first video on this channel. अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट है, एक डेवलपर है या फिर someone who just wants to learn about AI, GenAI, LLMs, embedding, vector stores, RAGs, blah blah blah, and you finally want to understand what it actually means, then you are in the right place. I have been working as a software engineer and an AI developer for a few years now, and there is something I have always felt throughout my journey: the gap between theory and real, intuitive, practical understanding. A lot of content out there is either too theoretical or it is too surface level. There needs to be something in between, and that's the gap that I have found, and that's the reason I'm going to start this channel. My goal here is simple. I want to teach software engineering. Everything revolves around software engineering, the new and latest things going around there. Uh, AI, ML, Gen AI, these things are included as well in the most intuitive, practical, and real world way as possible. Not just concept, but how you actually use them in real projects. Uh, so we are building this channel step by step, layer by layer, and like a real engineer, here's the journey we are going to. We'll first start going about Python fundamentals, not just boring syntax stuff, but just how to convert our thoughts into Python language. I'll create a LeetCode playlist. We'll make it big. So yeah, I'll slowly keep adding. Parallelly, I'll keep adding videos in the LeetCode playlist. We'll have around 160 some questions I think there. So yeah, once we are done with that, in the parallel, I'll start creating a series for uh, data science where we get our hands dirty with the data cleaning, analysis, visualization, and how all of those things. We can have a playlist about classical machine learning. We'll have a playlist about deep learning and how you implement some neural networks, CNN, RNNs, and we'll go about them. So yeah, once we are done with all of those fundamental things that you should know, and because the AI is going on so fast, every new week there is new technology coming out, so it's important. Once you have your fundamentals in place, well, it won't be easy to follow up, but at least there's scope for you to follow up what's going on in the recent world, and week by week we can go about the latest technologies. So yeah, we'll talk about LLMs and transformers, embeddings, RAG, fine tuning, agentic workflows, and all of those hot things in the AI once we are done with all of the fundamentals. So my goal is to make GenAI feel simple, logical, and something you can actually use in your projects. So, if you're excited about understanding AI and software engineering, then hit the subscribe button, drop a comment about what you want to learn first, and let's start the journey together. This is just the beginning, and I'm honestly excited about building this community with all of you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video where we write our first lines of Python and start the journey towards mastering GenAI. Thank you.